Good morning everybody. I've really had to zoom out quite far because I really wanted to get all of them in that we've had. So this is our very final day. It's Christmas Eve and we are opening our Christmas Eve final hand-dyed yarn. It's a sad day. So let's go straight in. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. And there's a little something extra as well. This yarn is amazing. Okay, so this one is called Opal, and so that makes perfect sense when you see the colours, because you've got the beautiful white and then look at those subtle, beautiful, stunning pastel shades that are in there. I really hope that you can see those shades that are there. You've got peach and pink and greens and blue running through. I really don't know whether the camera's picking it up because it's so delicate. Hang on. But it's absolutely amazing. It's so different to everything that we've had so far. It's just took me by surprise, I think, this one. But it's so beautiful. There we go. I think you can see the colours there now. It's stunning. It really is beautiful. So that is Opal. And then again we've got our final little surprise gift of the box, and it's gorgeous, obviously. So it's another wonderful stitch marker. Let me just get the camera to focus. There we go. And it's a little bit opally. Obviously you've got the rainbowy effect on there. Again, it's so smooth, very nice to hold. Very, very pretty, very beautiful. I'm hoping it's getting those little colour snaps as it goes, as it's twisted round. Very, very beautiful. So there we go, Opal. Our beautiful final addition to our calendar. Let me just, hang on, let me just nip and grab all the other stitch markers as well. There we go. So let me see if I can remember which order we got them in. I think that was the order, wasn't it? So they go with the correct ones. There we go. I think that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. I'll just zoom out a smidge. So there we have it. That is the grand finale of our Siobhan's Crafts 2020 Advent Calendar. I hope that you've enjoyed them all, and it's been a pleasure for me to share them with you, and hopefully she'll do them again next year. But I hope you all have a very magical and also peaceful Christmas time, and I will see you again in the new year. Bye for now.